Okay, my name is Juayne. I'm working at Lumotech. Currently, I'm a senior setter in injection molding. I've been working here for over 10 years. The basic job of a tool setter is you have to take is what they call a mold. Put the mold inside the machine. You have to take the mold outside of the machine. Must be able to start up the machine. Must be able to solve problems when starting up the machine. Must be able to make good parts after the process. I've studied mechanical engineering and 1 and 2. When I started working here, they sent us via Lumotech to study a injection molding setting course, level 4 course, to study, and then you learn. Through the job also, you gain experience because everyday things are changing. And not everything is the same. Injection molding these days is changing a lot, getting more complex. So you have to learn. You're still gonna learn. Every day you're learning stuff. It's not a one-day thing. A thing you can go from today and do the same thing tomorrow. Things might change. When I became a senior setter, I started obviously by a trainee set. When we studied, we've done a course here, internal course. So that probably enhanced me to become a senior setter. My next step will be to go as a process engineer or maybe even train new trainee setters that come and train them how to set up machines. So my advice is to them is to do some research about it and see, and I would definitely encourage them to go further into injection molding. There's every day a new challenge, you come to work, there's problems, you have to try and solve these problems, and you learn from it. And whatever you learn from, you go home and you say, hey, I fixed this thing today. It's not gonna get me tomorrow, we will see it tomorrow.